It's August 4th, 2016, and I'm here with my client Greg, and we just got word on a trial we had where Greg was accused of possessing a firearm with an obliterated serial number. The government's theory was that he constructively possessed that, and if you want to know about constructive possession, you can watch a video I've previously made about that. But after a trial where the law enforcement attempted to introduce DNA evidence tying Greg to the firearm, I researched how law enforcement had collected and handled the firearm prior to the DNA swab and found out that they mishandled the firearm and laid it in places where DNA transfer could have occurred. And that was our theory to disrupt the government's case on the DNA, which worked for the judge. In addition to that, we laid out the facts to show that he was not in actual possession of the firearm and that this was a constructive possession case, and that under the law there were not enough facts to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Greg was in constructive possession of the firearm. Had he been found guilty, it's obviously a felony, and he was facing quite a bit of time and some other consequences for the case. We made the right decisions in the case, and I'm glad that we got the not guilty verdict, so Greg can go home to his family. Greg, you know, I've handled some matters for you, and you know, people have a lot of choices in what kind of lawyer to hire, and it's hard to determine what to look for when hiring a lawyer. Just tell people generally what your experience has been like with dealing with me.
Oh, it's been great. It's been great. I mean, I'm just lost for words. I don't know really what to say, man. I'm blessed. You know, dealing with Ryan is, y'all need to get him if you don't got him. I'm telling you, man. He did a great job with the case. I mean, like, ain't really nothing much more to say, man. Like, not guilty, as y'all can see on the paper. And like I say, man, thanks to Ryan, man, for even getting this done for me, and I appreciate it, man.
Thanks. Well, I'm lucky to have a good team of people that work for me. I've got skilled paralegals, investigators, clerks, and assistants, and other associate attorneys as well. So it's always a team effort. I think the key in this case was taking a close look at the investigation and introducing other facts that the law enforcement lead investigator did not want to bring into the trial, because once we told all of the underlying facts, that exposed the flaws in the government's case, and I think made the difference in the outcome in your case. So I think justice was done in this case. It was a good result. If you need a felony criminal defense lawyer, my name's Ryan Pasiga. You can find me at arrestedminnesota.com or at 612-339-5844.